Hey guys, what's going on? Hope everyone's having a great evening. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about a drink that I just purchased recently at the store that my friend told me about. I was working at this grocery store and they sell everything basically from New York. And that includes like snacks, desserts, drinks, everything of that nature. And I was really interested because I remember like someone had mentioned it to me in the past and I wanted to try it out. And I love seltzer. I usually drink seltzer and water. I try to just keep, that's for the reason I'm just trying to keep my calorie count low, and I like that obviously there's no sugar in this, so it makes a really great drink. And I like that I could have seltzer sometimes when I want to change it up. Sometimes I do seltzer with a splash of cranberry juice or a splash of some other kind of juice. I'm having vodka or gin, I like to mix it with seltzer, and sometimes I'll do the same thing, just a splash of juice, and this is really good. So I noticed, of course, that Hal's is New York seltzer water. I'm from New York, born and raised, so that, interests me. I'm like, okay, let me support my state. Hal's New York seltzer water is original. They do have other flavors as well. I like that they have like the little bubbles on the logo, but it's also kind of simple. It's cool, makes it stand out. It's naturally refreshing, and this is a 20 floral ounce or 1.25 pint, 591 milliliter plastic bottle. It is kosher, it is recyclable, and easily the top just screws off and back on. Usually I like to take a drink with me if I'm like out all day working or whatever. I'll grab like 2 drinks of the same thing usually. So I grabbed 2 of these Hal's New York seltzer waters today, and this is my second one. So you can see I like it. I'm already almost done with it. I like that it's very refreshing and it's not too overly bubbly. It's just right, has just the right amount of bubbles. You could order this online, by the way, and I forget if it's, I think I want to say it's like a 12 pack, and then you have your choice with other flavors as well, such as some berry flavors and lemon lime. I don't know if this is the expiration date here. It's a little hard to see. It just says 11/48. Not sure what that is. So let's go to the back. So it contains 0% juice. Nutrition facts: serving size is 8 floral ounces or 240 milliliters. There are 2.5 servings per container. There are 0 calories, 0 grams of total fat, 0 grams of sodium, 0 grams of total carbohydrate, 0 grams of protein. Percent daily values are based on a 2,000 calorie diet, and then the ingredients are filtered carbonated water, so very, very pure. Find out more about Hal's at halsnewyork.com or email info@halsnewyork.com. If you have any questions. Manufactured for Hal's Beverage LLC in Maspeth, New York, 11378. It's the barcode on the back. Just a little sign here that says no artificial flavors, colors, or sweeteners. Definitely right up my alley, trying to be a little more healthier these days. It says please recycle. Bottle and label are 100% recyclable. And then on the side here, I like that it has like a little bit of info about the brands. That's always nice to know. It says, who is Hal? Hal was New York born and New York made. He lived and loved everything New York. Today we pay tribute to him by bringing you Hal's New York Seltzer. Enjoy. So that's kind of nice. Like I said, I'm a New Yorker, born and raised, so I do like to support my state and try things that are from New York. So I'm definitely impressed with this seltzer water. Sometimes I've tried different seltzers, sometimes they tend to have like a weird kind of aftertaste, so I'm always down to try new ones and find one that I really, really love. And I'm excited about this because I do have my standard that I really like, but I think this is going to be a new favorite for sure, and I'm very excited to try the flavored ones and see how I like those. I enjoy seltzer just every day, like everyday drinking throughout the day, just like you would water. The only time I really don't drink seltzer is if I'm working out or at the gym, because I just don't want anything carbonated. I just want something flat. But this goes great with like I remember like on Sundays my mom would always make Italian food, and she still does, but now that I moved out it's like a little bit less, and she would always serve seltzer with it. So it was just, it's like you're eating a big meal, so you don't really want to have like a heavy drink with it. So it's just something light, but you want something more than water. So we would always have seltzer with the big meals, and it's really good. And I just love seltzer. I think it's refreshing, delicious. Love it extra, extra cold. And like I said, if you're feeling crazy, it goes great with vodka. So this was Hal's New York Seltzer Water Original. I hope you guys try it out, and I really hope you like the product, and I thank you for watching. Have a great night, guys.